Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make a powerful natural hair growth juice using ginger, carrots and garlic, three incredible ingredients packed with nutrients that nourish the scalp and stimulate hair growth. Let's start with the carrots. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, beta-carotene, and antioxidant, which help strengthen hair follicles and promote a healthy hair growth. They also improve blood circulation to the scalp, which can help prevent hair thinning and breakage. I'm peeling off these carrots here to get them ready for juicing. Next, I'm going to peel off the garlic. Garlic is packed with sulfur and essential minerals that nourish the scalp and help strengthen the hair shaft. It's also known for helping to cleanse the scalp and prevent clogged hair follicles, which support a healthier, fuller hair. Next, I'm going to peel off some fresh ginger. Ginger is so amazing for stimulating the scalp, and thanks to its natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, it increases blood flow to the hair follicles, which can help boost hair growth while reducing dandruff and dryness. So when I'm done peeling all that, I'm going to grate them all together to release all their juices and beneficial compounds. This mix is so potent. Combining these three ingredients creates a natural powerhouse for hair growth. Once everything is grated and it's ready, I'm using a clean cloth to strain the mixture and squeeze out all the juice. This fresh juice is packed with nutrients that will nourish your scalp and hair directly. So I want you to try out this method if you have been struggling with your hair like I've done there before. It worked for me, and I want you to try this one out and tell me in the comment section how it goes, if it's going to help you out. Now when I am done, when I get all the juices out, I'm going to apply it into my hair. First, I section my hair and gently apply the juice directly into my scalp using my fingertips. I massage it in using circular motions to help boost circulation and ensure the nutrients really penetrate to the scalp. After covering the scalp, I apply the remaining juice down the length to my hair to help strengthen and hydrate my strands. I leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it out with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. You can use this treatment once or twice a week as part of your hair growth routine for best results. But for me, actually, I use it 3 times a week. If you can't make it to use it 3 times a week, you can do 2 times a week. If you are looking for a natural way to nourish your hair and support a healthy growth, definitely give this a try. Let me know it in the comment section if you've ever used ginger, carrots and garlic for your hair before. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more hair growth tips.